If you're young, driven, and starting to question everything you've been told about money, this video is for you. Here's the reality. Most people expect you to settle for an average life. A regular paycheck, a predictable routine, maybe a short vacation once a year if things go well. And the moment you want more than that, you're made to feel like you're asking for too much. But that's not really the problem. The real problem is getting used to that life and eventually stopping yourself from wanting anything bigger. Because money isn't just money. Money is freedom. And freedom means having the ability to choose how you live your life. So why don't most people ever build real wealth? Because they don't know where to start. One person says drop shipping. Another says crypto. Someone else says trading. Too many options and no clear direction. So people freeze. And in the end, they do nothing. But life doesn't wait. If you don't choose a path, life will choose one for you. And that path usually leads to something very average. The first trap is drifting. A lot of people don't actually take control of their life. They just react to what's happening, moving from one job to another, trying random things, hoping something works out. But here's the truth. No one is waking up thinking about how to make you successful. At some point, you have to take that responsibility yourself. The second stage is focus. Sometimes everything changes with a single decision. The moment you decide, I'm in control now. But here's where most people go wrong. They try to do everything at once. They want to build wealth, learn new skills, chase multiple goals at the same time. And that usually leads nowhere. Real progress comes from focus. The third step is figuring out a path. The rule is simple. The more value you create, the more you earn. And you don't need some groundbreaking idea to do that. You just need to find something that already works. And ask yourself, how can I do this too? The fastest way to improve is to learn from someone who's already ahead of you. It could be content creation, e-commerce, a specific skill, it doesn't matter. What matters is not starting from zero when there's already a proven path. The fourth step is taking action. At some point, you have to stop overthinking and start doing. Just begin. It won't be perfect. It's not supposed to be. You're going to be bad at it in the beginning. That's normal. But here's what actually makes the difference. Feedback. Most people only listen to friends or family, but that rarely helps. Real progress comes from honest, sometimes uncomfortable feedback. And yes, this part can feel lonely, because you're no longer where you used to be, but you're not quite where you want to be yet. A lot of people quit during this phase. The final stage is freedom. Once you build a skill and start making money consistently, things change. But there's something important to understand. Being rich and being wealthy are not the same. When money starts coming in, you have two choices. Spend it all, or reinvest part of it. That's where the real difference is made. Most people make the wrong choice. They spend on things that don't really matter. But every unnecessary expense today takes something away from your future. People who build wealth invest back into themselves. Their skills, their work, their opportunities. Others spend to impress people who are doing the same thing. And one thing matters more than anything else. The most valuable investment you'll ever make is yourself. What you learn, what you build, stays with you. So keep improving. Read more. Watch, learn, test things. Surround yourself with people who are moving forward, because the return on that is bigger than most investments. If you really want more out of life, there's a way, but it starts with a decision. Are you okay with average? Or do you want something more? That part is up to you.